Hello and welcome to this video. So we're in the bathroom because this is the quietest room. Every other room has an air conditioner running and it's far too hot to turn them off for the duration of this video, so I figured we just come in here. It's also easier like for me to sit up to get the heartbeat. And so this fly is bothering me. So I've had the request of an update and another Doppler video. So I figured let's do 2 in 1. I am currently 37.5 weeks pregnant. I will be 38 weeks pregnant on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. I had a prenatal appointment this morning. It's actually my daughter's third birthday. My daughter's third birthday, and we went this morning to the doctor to I got the results of my group B strep test, which was negative. I have an ultrasound scheduled for tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning to make sure that baby is head down. Currently having random Braxton Hicks contractions, like 1 every hour, sometimes 2 every hour. So it kind of gets a little difficult for me to breathe. But other than that, my energy's been pretty good. I've been really focused on cleaning the house, keeping the house clean, because my boys are home from school, and so that's like a main priority, is trying to make sure that when I do go into labor that the house is somewhat clean, and the only way to ensure that is to continuously clean it every single day. So every day I have like a long list of things that I want to get done, plus I'm prepping them for, you know, getting ready for the start of school, which will happen here in like 3-4 weeks. And then my daughter starts preschool, so I'm trying to get her ready, you know, school shopping, clothes shopping, all the things. So along with prepping for baby to come, I'm also trying to make sure that when school starts that I'm somewhat prepared. My boys are at swim lessons right now. So they've been doing that. This is their second week. Excited for them because they don't get that much pool time, like not like in a full-on pool. They get to go to the lake and to the river, but that's not the same as like full-on swimming. So that's exciting for them. Yeah, I've been really busy just trying to keep up with, you know, life, and all while trying to prepare for this baby. I'm excited. I'm excited to go into labor. I don't really have any I'm not nervous or scared, or I'm pretty much know what to expect. I just don't know when to expect it. But as far as being nervous about birth or the pain, that's not really an issue. I am really excited to get the baby out of my body and start caring for him or her in real life, and be able to sleep on my stomach. That's one of the things that I really, 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 really miss this pregnancy, is being able to sleep on my stomach. I'm excited to breastfeed. We pretty much have everything ready. We just got to get the car seat put into the van. But other than that, I'm ready. I'm ready for this. If I decided to go into labor today, I'd be like, let's do this.
Trying to think of what else I need to put in this.
update. I did get a request to do like a try on, like my pre-pregnancy clothes, like now that I'm pregnant, and I wear oversized shirts. I mean, I guess I could like try on some like shorts and stuff, but like I don't really have anything like too interesting, like as far as like what I wear when I'm not pregnant. Like some of the leggings that I usually wear aren't even going to get like past my thighs. So I don't know how I would record that without like exposing myself. Plus bending over is extremely hard right now because this belly takes up quite a bit of room. So like bending over is like, doesn't happen unless like I spread my legs and squat. That's how I, you know, pick stuff up off the floor, squatting. I can't, there's no bending over. This baby is extremely active. Boy or girl, I have no idea, because I have one moment I'm like, maybe it's a boy, and the next moment I'm like, maybe it's a girl. So I did get quite a bit of like unisex, gender neutral clothing for like the newborn stage. And then I have quite a bit of like, what is it, 0 to 3 months, or 0 to 3, 3 to 6 months from my daughter and from my sons. So I'm gonna have 2 little boxes that whenever this baby comes out and we find out the gender, I'll be able to pull out one of those boxes and start using those clothes. Sorry, had to burp. Like heartburn and things aren't bothering me anymore. I got papaya enzymes, which help tremendously with heartburn. I am currently taking, what is it? What's it called? Liver pills. Let me go get them. Hold on. Okay. So these are the 2 supplements that I'm currently taking since I was or am anemic during this pregnancy. The grass-fed beef liver and the power iron plus spirulina. I like taking this one because it has the B12, folic acid, and vitamin C along with the iron. And then this one's basically just the iron. So I do take them both every day. That's helped a lot with my energy levels and keeping myself energized, because usually around 2 p.m. If I don't take these things, I get very, very tired. I'm ready to take a nap or just fall asleep anywhere. But I have found that taking them every single day has really helped. Sorry that I'm looking off because I'm trying to think of anything else I should update with. My prenatal appointment went really well this morning. That's basically it. I don't really want this video to be too extremely long. I think I've covered pretty much everything that's I've been up to since my last video, even though my last video wasn't really an update. It was just like a Doppler education video. I will include the footage of baby's heartbeat with my at-home Doppler. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. But other than that, I hope that you enjoyed watching this. I know it's just me talking about my life, and if you're interested, thanks for being interested. And if not, you probably already clicked off this video anyway. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the Doppler footage and baby's heartbeat. And I will try to do a voiceover to try to explain the different sounds that you hear. I don't know how much my app will allow me to do that, but hopefully it will. So, like I said, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're well. Stay blessed. Bye. I actually found baby's heartbeat prior to recording this clip, so that's why I knew exactly where to start with, or where to put the Doppler probe at. Not entirely sure what that was. It's obviously not the complete fetal heartbeat, just because it's so swooshy, and a fetal heartbeat sounds more like a galloping horse. As you can hear, the heartbeat is still very swooshy. I think it's the fetal heartbeat mixed with the placenta. And so I'm physically maneuvering the probe by either pushing a little bit harder or pushing it a little bit up or a little bit down, but I'm not actually moving it in any way. It's still in that same spot. It's just how much pressure I'm applying. I go to get a fly off the camera, and as I did that, I think the baby moved. And that movement helped me get a better sound, because now you can hear that more galloping heartbeat, and that is the fetal heartbeat. Like you can hear that galloping sound, that is a fetal heartbeat. just by me moving the probe either, you know, towards my belly button or towards on my side, it changes the sound that I'm getting. You can see me deep breathe here, and that's because I can feel a Braxton Hicks contraction coming on. Which causes the fetal heartbeat to rise. After the Braxton Hicks contraction, I'm pretty sure baby moved. I wish you could see it on camera, but obviously I felt it. And we kind of lost the heartbeat. I think he or she switched over to the other side. And there's not enough gel on my belly. It kind of dried up. I tried my hardest to find it again, but unfortunately I wasn't able to find that detailed galloping horse heartbeat rhythm. As you can hear, it's there, but it's very faint because the baby moved. So I hope this video helps someone in deciphering what they're listening to when they use their Doppler, their fetal Doppler during their pregnancy. Again, this pregnancy is confirmed via urine, blood, and ultrasound. A Doppler is not a reliable tool to confirm a viable pregnancy. Ultrasound is the most reliable and accurate tool to confirm a viable pregnancy. If you believe that you are pregnant and testing negative in urine and blood, requesting an ultrasound from a licensed medical doctor is the best way to either confirm that you are pregnant or to confirm that you are not pregnant. Thank you for watching. I hope you are well. Stay blessed. Bye.